Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about Los Angeles commuter rail system Metrolink. Started in 1988 to present day to serve people with all their travel needs across Los Angeles. Metrolink became bigger now, having 7 lines across Los Angeles, Ventura County, and many other cities, and has traveled over 406 million passengers just from the 7 lines. Metrolink had many trains over the years, with Metrolink F59 locomotives were retired in 2020, and F40PH locomotives were all retired. Other retired Metrolink trains include MP36PH3C. Which is the locomotive you saw in the video here in Bombardier bi-level cab car locomotives were all retired and were replaced with the Hyundai Rotem bi-level cab car on the back of the Metrolink. The new EMD F125 locomotive was the train you saw in this clip. If you've watched my Amtrak Pacific Surfliner Transportation Talks video, I talked about Amtrak Siemens Charger locomotives. As you can see, the Siemens Charger looks like the Metrolinks EMD F125 locomotive that you'll see side to side. As you can see, the Metrolink's horn is way louder than Amtrak's, but Metrolink is known for loud horns, as mostly all Metrolink trains are very loud at railroad crossing and blast their horn loudly. The other thing about Metrolink is that they're fast and don't have to travel around the whole state of California like Amtrak. Metrolink instead is like Coaster San Diego and Caltrain in San Francisco. Metrolink stays in its commuter zone, like how buses are different in other cities but stay in their respectively area for transportation. Metrolink is great because if you live in these places, Ventura County, Ventura, Oxnard, Moorpark, Simi Valley, Burbank, Los Angeles County, Oceanside, and San Diego County, then you can travel across California's first and third largest cities, LA and San Diego. Metrolink is Los Angeles commuter railroad, and it will be upgraded and expanded. Now time to talk about Metrolink's bad times. First, the worst Chatsworth train collision happened on Friday, September 1-2008, to which an Union Pacific train was running on the same track as the Metrolink, and both of the trains sadly ended up colliding with each other, killing 25 and injuring another 135 passengers. And that's the end of Transportation Talks. Thanks for watching. This is a product and production of Transit Tube TV Vehicles Trains and made by Zeph. Go to the credits page at the end of the video. Goodbye, and I hope you learned a little more about Metrolink commuter rail. Goodbye. Credit and copyright. Just for your information, copyright is a huge subject for me and should be traded responsibly. Credit goes to Los Angeles Daily News and the New York Times. Copyright is reserved for Transit Tube TV Vehicles Trains YouTube channel. If you have any questions about copyright, go YouTube help. And this video is created by Zeph. Music, Cyan Paper.